Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is I don't know what I'm going to call it. It's a skincare video. You guys have been asking for skincare and I didn't really have a video for today, so I thought, you know what, it's skincare day. So I just thought I would come in and let you guys know what I use for skincare. And I thought that I had a really simple skincare routine. Actually, I do have a simple skincare routine, but I have a lot of products here to show you. So let's get started. I always start taking off my makeup, of course. So this is what I use for my eye makeup. This is the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. And this is how I start. I just take this, I put it on one of those cotton rounds. And I always put it on the side that's not very cottony, the quilty side, because I don't want the cottony side because I'm going to use it on my eyelid and I don't want fuzzies in my eyelashes. So I just put some on there and I don't saturate it because I don't want it to drip, I don't want it to squeeze out, and I wrap it around my finger and then I just go like this and up here and I take off my eyebrows. And that's all I do with this. And then I go in with this. This is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face milk cleanser with coconut milk and acacia Senegal. Oops, there. And I get both of these at Walmart. And so I just take one pump of this and I put it in my hands and I rub it all over my face and I just rub it in until all the foundation and everything is like not in my skin but is on the surface. Then I go in with my Wonder Cloth, Miracle Cloth, I can't remember, but I'll have it linked below so that you'll know exactly what it is. Anyways, I get this wet and I just go and I wipe all of that off and then I rinse it. And the wonderful thing about these wonderful cloths, I think it's a Wonder Cloth, is that when you rinse them, the makeup just rinses right off. And so I do that 2 or 3 times until it doesn't come off with any makeup. And then I go in with my Konjac Sponge. I put this in water actually when I start so that it gets all puffed up and fat. And then I wring it out and I use my soap that I make myself. I know this has Bath & Body Works on it, but that's just the bottle because I saved the bottle so that I don't have to buy bottles. And I will link below a video that I made on how I make my soap. And it'll give you, and then in the information section of that video is the whole recipe for my face soap. And I just use essential oils and vitamin E oil and I can't remember what else, but it's all in there. So I will link that video if you'd like to. I know it's got tea tree oil and lavender, maybe lavender. I don't know if it's got lavender. It's got tea tree oil in it. I can't remember. Lemon, it's got lemon in it, I think. I don't know because I used to make toothpaste too and I'll get them mixed up if I try and tell you. So anyways, if you want that, you don't even have to watch the video if you don't want to. You can just open the video and then look in the information for the recipe. Anyways, after I wash, and I just put that on the sponge, I just take one pump of foam, put it on and scrub my face, and then rinse it with just water, dry it, and that's pretty much it for my nighttime routine. I don't put moisturizer on my face at night. I feel like it makes me break out. And I don't care what moisturizer it is, it just doesn't seem to be, my skin doesn't need it. I don't know why. It's like, I never do. So, I know I'm going to get grief for that, but especially at my age, but it works for me. So, that is my routine at night. Although, at night I do put my eyelash serum on. And I'm using this Dime one, but I'm not recommending it yet just because I haven't been using it that long. I don't know if it works. I had my eyelashes off like last week and they were not good. So as far as I'm concerned, right now it's not, you know, it hasn't done anything yet. But Daryl Ann Denner is the one that recommended it. Actually, everybody was recommending it for a while. It was a PR thing. But she said that it works just as good as the expensive ones, and this one's only like $35. So it's a good price, and it's a nice big, it's got a glass bottle. It's really nice if it works, right? Anyway, she said that it works just as good as the high-end ones, but it takes a little longer. So that's why I'm saying I'm using it, but I'm not recommending it yet because I haven't been using it that long. But I did see just the other day somebody told her that if you use it, instead of just using it once a day at night, because that's what you use the high-end ones, use it twice a day and it'll work faster. So I've started doing that just within the last week. So anyways, that's what I'm doing, because the main reason I got it is because you're supposed to be able to use it with your eyelash extensions. And I've got these fake ones on. They're not actually extensions where you go to the salon. They're my own extensions. But still, it's the same thing. You can use them with it, and it's supposed to keep your eyelashes in good condition. And when I took them off, they were not in good condition. They were super short. So, we'll see. Anyways, I also use this Allergy eye drop, like the doctor told me, because I have one eye that's, I don't know, it's more closed, and he said that it might work. He didn't say it would work. He said try it and see if it works, because it gives it a caffeine boost type thing. So I put one in this left eye at night. I try to do it a couple times a day, but I don't really go sit in front of my mirror and notice it a couple times a day. So what else? Oh, okay, and then I also put on my Laneige sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask every night. It smells so good. It actually is amazing. In the morning, my lips are so smooth. It's nice. Okay, now, once a week-ish, approximately once a week, I do this. Because the main thing for wrinkles and mature skin is exfoliation. So once a week I use this L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub exfoliant. It doesn't say which flavor it is, but it's coffee. And I remember when I bought it that there were like 3 different kinds. And I don't see anywhere on here where it says coffee, but this one is the coffee one. And you can tell it's dark. It looks like coffee, and it smells like coffee, and it feels like coffee. But it's called a sugar scrub. So anyways, I just take a scoop of this and I rub it all over my face, and then I rub it in really good so that it really exfoliates. And then I rinse it a little bit, and then I go in with this guy. And then I grab my Konjac Sponge that I use at night for this, and I use this Good Molecules Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. I love this stuff. It's so good. I would use it all the time, except that my soap has got tea tree oil and stuff in it that's really, really good for your skin. And so I like to use that every day, and plus I know that it doesn't break me out or anything. But every time I use this, my face is just like glowing in the morning. Of course, I also use this at the same time. But both of these together are great, but I wouldn't want to do it more than once a week, because I use a Konjac Sponge twice a day, and it's got a bit of exfoliation, not much. But, you know, that's a lot of exfoliation. Also, I just got from Good Molecules in PR this Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. I have not tried it yet, but I'm gonna. So I will keep you informed on this too. I don't usually use a toner. I'll have to read up on it, find out what it's supposed to do. You put it on a cotton pad and gently sweep it over fresh, clean skin. Or you can put it in your hand and pat it in. It contains AHA that may increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Well, we don't like that. Not that I ever want to leave the house, because I don't. But anyways, okay, so that's it for my face. Now, as far as, and then in the mornings, I do the same thing. In the morning, I use this and the Konjac Sponge, and then I put this on. And that's pretty much it in the morning. I just put the CeraVe, the nighttime CeraVe on in the morning, not at night. And, I don't know what I was going to say. Anyways, moving on. For my shower, I use this. I love this Philosophy shower soap. This one is white pear. Isn't it pretty? And it smells great. It smells so good. I don't know why. I always want things that smell yummy. Probably because I'm always on a diet, so I'm always hungry, right? I think that's it. And look at this. It's just so, so pretty. Come on. It's just not going to. There we go. Look at that. Look at the iridescence inside that soap. It's so pretty. Okay. So I shower with this, and then if I'm trying to get my tan to come off, my spray tan, I use this. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish in something almond and mango butter, crushed almond. This stuff smells delicious. Super, super mango-y. Oh, it smells so good. And I cannot stand the smell of Dove soap. I've never liked it. When I was a kid, people would have it. I don't like it. I don't like it as an adult. It melts in the soap dispenser. It's like, I just don't like Dove soap. So when I was in California when I got this, and I was searching for a scrub that I could use to scrub off my spray tan so I could put another spray tan on. And this was the only one I could find. And so I bought it thinking I'm probably not going to like it, but it'll do the work. It's just the smell because it was Dove. I was pleasantly surprised when it was so yummy smelling. And then I bought another one because I wanted to bring this one home, and I bought one for Katie, and it was pomegranate, and I don't remember something, but it smelled really good too, and it was pink. Okay, and now for lotion. When I have a spray tan on, or actually when I don't have a spray tan on, like right now I don't have a spray tan on. I've scrubbed it off. I was going to do another one and I haven't, and now I'm going to wait at least a little while until I do another one. So I'm using this Amylorate Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion with Alpha Hydroxy Therapy. This stuff is super good for your legs to get rid of all the I don't know if you guys have it, but crepiness and the discoloration. It's good exfoliating type lotion, which is, I know it sounds weird, but it's good. And I got this at Skin Store, and it was way cheaper than it was on Amazon. Just to let you know, whenever you find something like this, check Skin Store before you, and then see if it's cheaper than Amazon, because I have found that most of the stuff, Skin Store doesn't have, you know, the variety that Amazon does, but I always check Skin Store first, because if they do have it, it's going to be cheaper than Amazon. And one more thing, oh, when I do have a tan, this is what I use, my Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is another one that is, oh my goodness, I could just eat this stuff. It smells so good. And as you can see, I use it a lot. But it's very expensive. I've had this one because I used it all the time, and then I didn't. And now I needed more once I started tanning. The best way to keep your tan nice and even and like when it starts to wear off, evenly, is lotion. Preferably one without alcohol, but you know what? The ingredients in this are in like another language, and so I have no idea if it has alcohol in it. But I would say it does, because it says fast absorbing, helps tighten and smooth like no other. That's good. I didn't even know that. I just like the smell. Anyways, I think that's it. And don't forget, I'm going to link all these products that I can find below, and the video of how I make my soap. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.